Hi, everybody. We're doing Q6, which says it is find values using function graphs. So I'm assuming that they're going to give us a function on a graph, and we're supposed to figure out what the y values are, because that's the function values, like f of 2 or f of 3 or something. I haven't previewed it, so it's a surprise. Let's see how it looks. I hope I like it. Oh, what is with an x value of 5? So basically, we're evaluating using the graph. So this is a really good something to understand, really important. So x is 5 right here, and we're interested in that point right there. So when x is 5, so is y. So y is equal to 5. Let me get my points here. So the y value is 5. Come on, 5. 5, 5, yeah. Now we want the y value at 4. And at 4, that's a y value of 5 when x is equal to 4. There's my x, and there's my y. That's a y value. Maybe I'm supposed to put the point in there. I'm not sure. It's, wait a minute. Did it ask me? Oh, what is the x value of this point? Hang on, wait a minute. I better read the question here. What is the x value of this point? Oh, when y equals 4, what is the x value of the point? I got to read the question. 7. So the x, when y is equal to 4, it's right there. What is the x value? It's 7. Sorry, guys, got to read the directions. Plot the 2 points on this function with a y value of 3. So y is equal to 3 here and here. And then we're done. And x, of course, is equal to 2 and 7. So the x values are 2 and 7. What? Oh, 2 and 9? Man, I can't read today. There we go. Okay, gotta be more careful. Y is 3. There's 3. And x is 3. God, that was bad. All right, guys. Y value is 6, and x is 8. They're going to keep giving me these negative parabolas because I messed up on the 1. It's really amazing how well they target where your problems are. The y values are 6, so we want this point and this point, and it looks like we're at 2 and 10. 2 and 10. This time we want y values at 3, so we're looking at 0 and 5 for x. Okay, we've got y values at 2, so we've got x values at 1 and 5. Oh. We have an x value at -1, which is right here, and we want to plot the point, which is the vertex right there. So that's -1, 9, isn't it? Apparently they think I have a problem with 9. All right, the x value is an x value of 1, so it's right there, and that's going to be a 7 for the y. What? Oh, I moved it, I guess. Oh. What? Did it say 1? I could have sworn it said -1. Okay. Oh, man. I am really messing up today. Wow. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Y value of 3 And oh, I'm supposed to plot the point on the graph with a y value of 3, and that's going to be an x value of -1. Man, an x value of -3, that's going to be right there at 0. Man, that's bad. 2 mistakes today. Y is -9. That's down here, right there. So I have this point and this point. Oh, it doesn't. So the x values are going to be 6 and 9. I'm telling you, they're going to hit me up with that 9 over and over again. Y is -7. Looks like I'm at the vertex there. And the x is going to be at 1, isn't it? The input, that's the x value, is -5. And we are here at this vertex, which is at y equals -3. Let's make sure. Output, yeah. The output is -3 because that's the y value. Remember, input is x, output is y. What is the output if the input is 10? So we have an x equal to 10, and that gives us a y value of 7. Again, we have an x value of 10, which gives us a y value of 6. Input is 6, so we're at 0 for y. Function has an output of 4. That means the y value is 4, and the x value is going to be -2, isn't it? What input of this function has an output of 7? So we want the y value to be 7. That happens at this vertex at -7, doesn't it? Oh, I'm getting some lag. I hope it doesn't go too much longer. Okay, we want to use this graph of f to find f of -10. F of -10 is the y value when x is -10, and that's going to be a y value of 2. In fact, f of -8 and -9 and all of these, all along this line, are all y equal to 2. So f of -1, f of -2, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, and so on. Oops, come on. Oh, there we go. Better submit it before it messes it up. Let's see, what do we got? Use this graph of f to find the solution of f of x equals 0. Well, where does y equal 0? Well, that's x equals -10, isn't it? It's right there. See it? See that? We wanted to find the x value. All right, looks like we're getting there. And this time we want g of x equals 0. Well, it has 2 solutions, one right there at 2, but we also have one at -1, don't we? So we have -1 and 2. F of x equals 0. Well, that occurs right there and right there, where x is 3 and 8. F of x equals 1. That happens here, here, and there. -8 5, and 7. F of x equals 5. So the y value is 5, which happens on this line, y equals 5. This is the line, by the way, y equals 5. Or f of x equals 5. Remember, y and f of x are interchangeable. And we want the x values that give us that. So we have 8, 5, and -6. -6, 5, and oh, f of x equals -3. So we're interested in this y value, and that only happens right there at x equal to 9. F of x equals 0 at -10 and 9. That's 9. And that one over there is -10 for the x's. Reading graphs is really important, and reading function graphs is especially good. F of x equals 7, well, or g of x, sorry, that's 7 for the y. So it looks like our x value is -10. I just have to make sure it actually put it in there. All right, now this time we want f of x equals 0, which happens here and here at 7 and -6, isn't it? Two more. We want f of x equal to 8, so it's going to happen at 0. Now here at 3, and where else? Here at 6, and 3, and 0, and nowhere else. So we have 0, 3, and 6. And this is our last one. I hope you guys will try this yourself. Not that hard. We want to find out when is the graph equal to -7. And that is only going to occur right there, isn't it? This is f of x or y is equal to -7 at x equal to -8. Now I'd like you guys to try it yourself, get your medal, and I will see you back again. Bye.